In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple sinus reliever smoothie that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism and load you up with high levels of vitamin C while unblocking your nose that will allow you to breathe a lot easier. I will explain the benefits of having this super simple sinus reliever smoothie as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and will explain how easy and simple it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling smoothie consists of only 4 simple ingredients that are easily accessible throughout your home. These ingredients are 2 carrots, 2 small oranges, half a cup of chopped ginger root and a glass of water. Once you have all these contents gathered, add them to a blender and mix them until you have a consistent texture. This super simple and healthy smoothie drink is packed with enough vitamin C and with the added kick of ginger that is perfect for sustained energy levels throughout the day and help unblock your sinus so that you can breathe much easier through your nose and reduce the risk of headaches and so forth, so you can go about your day without any distractions. This is a super simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it will actually taste. That will kickstart your day, satisfy your appetite and leave you feeling fully energized. And again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.